If the Credit Karma app isn't working properly, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Restart the app. Close the Credit Karma app and then reopen it. This can sometimes resolve minor technical glitches. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Credit Karma app installed on your device. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store to check for updates and install them if available. Clear cache and data. If the app continues to malfunction, clear the cache and data for the Credit Karma app on your device. This can help resolve issues related to corrupted data. Go to your device's settings, find the App Manager or Applications section, locate Credit Karma, and then clear the cache and data. Restart device. If clearing the cache and data doesn't work, try restarting your device. This can refresh the system and resolve any temporary software issues. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Credit Karma customer support for further assistance. They may be able to provide specific troubleshooting steps or escalate the issue for further investigation.